Anna, what day is it? Is it Christmas?
No.
Is it Halloween?
No.
Is it Easter? Uh-huh. So should we go see if the Easter Bunny brought you some presents?
Yeah, let's go look.
Let's go downstairs.
Okay, we've got to look for Easter eggs. Okay, are we looking for Easter eggs? No, no one's going to get you. We're looking for Easter eggs. Oh, do you see any Easter eggs? Do you see any Easter eggs? You gotta pick up the Easter eggs. This way, Anna. Do you see any Easter eggs? Look around. Do you see an Easter egg?
Oh!
You pick it up?
What is it? The Easter Bunny got you. He tricked you. Another one?
Oh, another one.
Oh, I'm sick.
Do I have to carry some for you? Okay, keep finding Easter eggs. I'll carry them for you. You keep looking, okay? Okay, do you see any other ones around here?
Look this way.
You see any other Easter eggs?
Here, let's close the
Okay,
gate.
well, let's keep walking then. Okay, where's more Easter eggs?
What's all that on the table? Okay, not that table.
You got some presents?
Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff the Easter Bunny left you. I think, so, do you want to see your presents and then...
Well, let's finish the hunt.
Yeah, but she can put her eggs into her bucket. Here. Some shades. And a bunny. Yeah.
Bunny.
Oh, that's nice. And then here's a bucket. You can find all your eggs and put them in
Bring in
here.
your bucket and we'll put your eggs in your bucket.
Here, hold it like this. There you go.
Now can you go find more eggs? I think there's still more eggs on.
Gotta look for them. You found one? Oh my gosh.
Keep looking. You might find more. Do you see any more, Anna?
Oh, there's one. That's a funny one. I think you should come look over here, hon.
Yeah. You see any more? Oh, you got an Elsa frozen chocolate.
It's a Olaf chocolate, hey?
You gotta eat Olaf. Is that all Is that all the eggs? Or do you think there's more eggs?
I think there's still more eggs. Gotta find them.
There's more eggs.
There's still more. You gotta find them all over the house. Maybe over there? That area?
You want me to hold the bunny for you? Oh, you want me to hold your bunny while you hunt? Oh, there's another one.
I think there's still some more eggs. You gotta look. Maybe go look over there. Anna?
Do you see
Olaf
any more
chocolate.
Easter eggs?
You gotta find more eggs. Look, I think you should turn around in that corner and look. You really found it. Is there more?
Is there more to find?
Is there another one over there? Woo! Okay, I think there's still some more.
Keep looking around though.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you got some candies? We gotta keep looking for the eggs, Anna. Gotta find more eggs.
Anna, maybe go in the kitchen. Oh, oh wow! Oh, you're pretty good at this. Wow!
That's all done?
Wow, you're pretty good.
Good job.
I think you are all done. Should we count them and see how many you have? Okay, let's dump them out and count them.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I help.
Dump them out. How many do you have? Can you count them with Dad?
Let's start at 1, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, Anna.
Start at 1.
1, 2, 2, 3,
6,
well, that was 5. This is 6. What was that one? 7. What comes after 7? 8, yeah. Then comes 9. Then at 10. 11. 12. You found a whole dozen. Yay!
Yay!
Should we look inside? See
Can
what's
you
in
say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
there? Should we break into the eggs and see what's in there?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.